event, Municipality of Arayat kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalan. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me manning the sidelines is MJ Raimundo. You will hear from her later on. Of course, bago po ang lahat, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating mga social media. First, of course, sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. Meron din po tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. At pwede nyo rin po itong tutukan sa YouTube channel sa broadcast partner nitong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 at Sinag Liga TV. Of course, tignan muna natin ang ating tournament format, of course, for this Delta Cup 2023-2024, the elimination round. After that, magtatapos na po itong single round robin natin. And then after that, the quarterfinals round 1, round of 8 teams po ito. And then after that, of course, is the quarterfinals to crossover of Group A and Group B, the top 4 teams. And after that, of course, the semi-final, a single round robin. The top 2 teams will advance into the final round. And after that, of course, is ang ating finals. Malalaman natin who will be hailed as the first ever Delta Cup champions. Pero bago po ang lahat, tignan muna natin kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang koponan na maglalaban ngayon. Itong ang Bayung Masantol ay nandito sila sa 8th spot with 3 wins and 5 losses. Samantalang itong MINALIN All-Stars ay nandito sa 5th spot with 4 wins and 3 losses. Kapag nanalo, itong MINALIN All-Stars ay aangat sila dito into the 4th spot. And of course, coming up is the battle between Bayung Masantol kontra MINALIN All-Stars. And now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good morning once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by our coverage partner, Sinag Liga Asia. You can catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. We got a quintuple header games for today featuring our first match. It's the battle between Bayung Masantol and your MINALIN All-Stars. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Bayung Masantol. At guard number 11, Kian De La Cruz. Also at guard number 13, Carl Soriano. At forward number 25, Yang Francisco. Also at forward number 23, Charles Uzi. And center number 6, Alan Suga. Head coach for Bayung Masantol is Andre Lakap. Assistant coaches, Rap Bustos, Joshua Dizon, Nico Campo, and Paulo Sigua. And now let's meet the starters for your MINALIN All-Stars. Starting at guard number 6, PJ Parungao. Also at guard number 12, Heron Bonifacio. At forward number 10, Kenneth Maluganan. Also at forward number 30, Eros Isip. And center number 81, Jason Ibay. Head coach for MINALIN All-Stars is June Canlas. Assistant coaches, Jericho Isidro, Jairon Pontimil, Limbal Serrano, Loy Cancina, and Paul Miklat. Team manager, Mr. Bon Manalili. Game officials for this game, Michael Galutera, Chong Banayat, and Wille Hibe. This is the Delta Cup.
Of course, for our starters dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol, we have here Soriano, De La Cruz, Sunga, Francisco and Usi at para sa panig ng Minalin All-Star, we have here Parungao, Bonifacio, Ibay, Isip at Pamulagan. Of course, let's take a look here kung kanina mapupunta ang unang ball possession natin dito sa unang laro natin for our Blessed Sunday. Isang magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga kabalen na nanonood po sa ating Facebook and YouTube channel. Francisco passes it. Almost a miss there para dito kay Francisco. Usi with a one-handed shot, no good. Balik dito. Suminala ng bola. Parungao to Isip. Parungao to Maluganan rather. Maluganan to Isip. Passes it. Dito kay Jason Ibay. No good para kay Ibay. Pero nasa kanila pa din ang bola. A turnover here para sa Bayung Masantol. 1 minute already passed by. Parang nag-warm up pa itong dalawang team na to. Kasi maaga nga yung games natin today. So take a look here. Soriano, balik dito. Ang bola, no good pa din. Para dito kay Francisco. Soriano on a drive in the first basket para dito sa Bayong Masantol. Care of Kian. Of Carl Soriano rather. Let's see what will Minalin do here. The three-point shot there is good for Kenneth Maluganan. 3-2 now in favor of Minalin All-Star. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Kian de la Cruz passes it. Dito kay Yang Francisco. Balik dito kay de la Cruz ang bola. No good, naagaw dito ito ni Kenneth Maluganan. Kenneth Maluganan on the drive. And an easy drive there para dito kay Kenneth Maluganan. Soriano. Kay Francisco balik kay Soriano. Soriano for 3. No good. Para dito kay Soriano. Still a rebound para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. What a nice block there. Francisco. And that three-point shot is good for Yang Francisco. We're tied here at 5. 7 minutes. Bola, nasa Minalin. Luganan. What a nice pass there by Parungao. There's a basket there, but a rebound there. Neto. Ni Jason Ibay. Take a look here at the three-play. The three-point shot from Yang Francisco. No hesitation. Finds the bottom of the net. Make this ball game tied at 5. So we can see here, Alan Sunga. Take a look what happened to Alan Sunga in there. As the first free throw is good for Jason Ibay. Two out of 2 for Jason Ibay. One of the trusted, I remembered covering the one game for Minalin on my first week here at Delta Cup. And Jason Ibay is one of the players who step up sa kanilang team. Unfortunately, they lost on that game. But in a very good player para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. We're now back here. BAYUNG MASANTOL. But a steal there para dito sa panig ng MINALIN. An easy drive there. Para dito. Sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Care of Heron Bonifacio. 5 minutes and 51 seconds. 9-5. Cooks a 3. No good. Shot clock violation. As that nice pass there. Dito kay Heron Bonifacio. So take a look here. Ibay. Dito. Maluganan. Jumper. In and out. Pero rebound dito. Hindi pagparungaw. And an easy layup dito. Para kay Charles Uzi. What a fast game pace. Fast ball game. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. 9-7. Still in favor of MINALIN All-Stars. Maluganan. Binasa ang bola dito kay Heron Bonifacio. Bonifacio with a one-hand shot. It's good for Heron Bonifacio. Inbound para dito sa BAYUNG MASANTOL. De La Cruz. They can go here for a quick 2. Kian De La Cruz. A nice block there from Jason Ibay. This is what I'm talking about earlier. So take a look first at this replay. Kian trying to go for an easy layup there, but Ibay, kaabang na siya doon. Three-point shot, in and out, para dito kay Yang Francisco. But first, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her first quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Both teams are eager to get the win for today's game. They might be the first game, but they are all set to push themselves into edge. According to head coach Bernard Valencia of MINALIN All-Stars, relentless attack is their key and drive to win this game. Dagdag pa ni coach, nag-review kami ng games and I saw their weaknesses, kaya during our practice binago namin yun and kailangan lahat sila mag-step up. While on the other team, head coach Andre Lacap of Masantol said na kailangan nilang ma-execute ng maayos yung game. From the play we had from our practice, inaasahan ko na magawa nila yun up until to our last game. Are these two teams will still have a chance na makasama sa playoffs? Yan ang aabangan natin mamaya. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Yun nga, sobrang importante ng panalong ito para sa dalawang kupunan na to eh. Of course, papasok na tayo sa playoffs natin. And the team standings dito sa bracket B, as I mentioned earlier kanina, sobrang dikit lang ng lahat ng wins and losses nila. So it's a must for every team to win the game. Kasi doon magbabase eh. I mean, we have teams tied at the 5th spot, we have teams tied at the 6th spot, at the 7th spot. So the best of the best should be para dito sa BAYUNG MASANTOL at sa MINALIN All-Stars, as that one-hand shot is no good para dito kay Eros Isip. As De La Cruz checks in. Oh, it's a basket count para dito kay Kevin, coming off the bench. May libre pa siya dong free throw. As that bronze free throw is good para dito kay Guevara. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. We're tied at 13. Inbound for MINALIN All-Stars. Parungao. Parungao. Nice pass there. But that goes in and out. De La Cruz. Nice pass. Pero dumulas yun eh. Sa kamay nito ni Charles Uzi, masyadong napalakas yung pasa dito. Ni Yen Francisco. But here, Parungao. I can now remember quite few of the players netong MINALIN All-Stars. I can remember them, how dominant they were nung last game nila. And an inbound here para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. Kian De La Cruz. Sunanan. Oh, and then steal there para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Almost a good play there. But I'll put back there. Galing dito kay Kenneth Maluganan. Oh, what a nice play there. Galing dito kay Joshua Cortez. Let's take a look here at that replay. A beautiful drive here para dito kay Joshua Cortez. So we take a look here. Kenneth Maluganan after that basket. A bad landing for him actually, pero it's a good sign. We can see him perfectly walking. 16-15. After the beautiful drive from Joshua Cortez, 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining for our first quarter. There is a call there for the bench decorum etong Bayung Masantol. Oh, that bonus free throw is no good for Joshua Cortez. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Samit. Balik kay Samit ang bola. Samit. Pero kinulang siya doon. Kian De La Cruz. Libreng-libre dito yung teammate niya. Oh, almost a beautiful underneath drive para dito kay Kian De La Cruz. Take a look here at that replay. Hulangan lang ng push. Pakaliwa yung tira na yon ni Kian De La Cruz. First free throw is no good for Kian De La Cruz. 0 out of 2 para dito kay De La Cruz. Samit. Balik dito kay Samit ang bola. Samit to Cruz. Cruz for 3. No good. Kian De La Cruz for the rebound. Oh, nice pass there. Oh, but a good block there by Jason Ibay. But a nice putback there para dito kay CJ Sarmiento. 18-15 with 10 seconds remaining. Ibay. What a beautiful drive para dito kay Jason Ibay. Escaping the 3 defenders from Bayung Masantol. Makes this ball game 18-17 in favor of Bayung Masantol. Isa lang ang inahabol dito ng MINALIN All-Stars. Take a look at that beautiful pass of Kian de la Cruz. And a good layup there para dito kay Carl Soriano. And look at that three-point shot from Kenneth Maluganan of MINALIN All-Stars. And that three-point shot para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. And that beautiful drive from Kenneth Maluganan again of MINALIN All-Stars. For that ball game, 18-17. Second quarter of this ballgame, of course, mga kabalig. We're still live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city, San Fernando, Pampanga. And inbound here para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Isa lang ang inahabol nila dito. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Bayung Masantol. Pamulagan. Layug. Layug, nice pass there to Pamulagan and almost a nice pass there para dito kay Kenneth Maluganan. Francisco against Maluganan. Can go here for a quick two. Bigyan niya dito ang bola kay Cunanan. Dumulas lang yon dito sa kamay ni Cunanan. Balik ang possession para dito sa MINALIN All-Stars. Here. They're trying to set their play. Wow, what a nice one-hand shot there. Para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. Nice move there. Para dito kay Yen Francisco. 9 minutes and 7 seconds. 20-19. Still in favor of Bayung Masantol. Almost a good putback there para dito kay Jason Ibay. But here, Ellen De La Cruz. That's good for De La Cruz that time. Layug. Layug, balik dito. Ang bola. Maluganan. Maluganan. One-hand shot, no good. Pero meron dito ang putback. But still no good. Para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. But a foul there for Francisco. And inbound para dito sa MINALIN. Layug. Layug. To Ibay, to Bonifacio. No good. 3 versus 3 sa ilalim. Wow, nice pass there para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. Almost a good defense para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Francisco. Balik dito ang bola kay Guevara. Pero naagaw dito ni Pamulagan. Kenneth, no good. Dito kay Ellen De La Cruz. Nice defense there para sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Bonifacio. Bonifacio, nice pass. In and out. But the ball possession goes para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. 7 minutes and 31 seconds. Take a look here. Masantol, 22. Minalin, 19 is timeout on the floor. Seven minutes and 31 seconds as we can see here. LM de la Cruz against dito kay Layug. An inbound para dito sa Bayong Masantol. De la Cruz passes to another Francisca rather. But that layup is no good para dito sa panig ng Masantol. Bonifacio. Almost a beautiful underneath basket para dito kay Bonifacio, but I'm sorry, miss for him. Nice pass there! Almost a nice pass there para dito kay Ian Cunanan. Pumulagan to Layug. Layug. Balik dito kay Kenneth Malugana ng bola. 3-point shot there. No good para dito kay Kenneth. Here. Joshua Cortez. Kian de la Cruz checks in para dito sa ating second quarter. As Layug trying to set their play. Oh, muntik na yung dumula sa kamay neto ni Kenneth Maluganan. Yan easy basket there para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Oh, nice steal there para dito kay Kenneth Maluganan. Good defense para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Take a look at that replay from Kenneth Maluganan. That pass to Heron Bonifacio. Layug. Dito kay Kenneth ang bola. 3-point shot. No good. Para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Paulo Garcia checks in for this ballgame para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. 5 minutes and 51 seconds, 22-21. Balik sa isang kalamangan netong Bayong Masantol. De la Cruz. Balik dito ang bola para sa kanila. Here. Almost a drive there. Kian de la Cruz to Francisco. What a beautiful layup there para dito kay Yen Francisco. They're trying to put their momentum back. Nalin, balik dito kay Paulo Garcia. And the 3-point shot is good para dito kay John Mills. Vincent Ibay rather. Sorry, miss there para dito kay Yen Francisco. Kenneth Maluganan. Nice pass there. Kenneth against the two defenders. No good. But a foul in there. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. We're tied now at 24. As Kenneth Maluganan is now on the free throw line. One out of two para dito kay Paluganan. Pamulagan rather. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Kenneth. Paulo Garcia against Walter Santos. Santos. Almost a jumper para dito kay Santos, but for Yang Francisco, no good. Rebound dito ng Minalin All-Stars. Nice pass there to Heron Bonifacio. To Jason Ibay, and an easy basket dito para kay Jason Ibay. One of the go-to guys of Minalin All-Stars. Kian De La Cruz, no good. Rebound dito ni Jason Ibay. Pero almost a steal there for Walter Santos. Kenneth Pamulagan. Oh, a nice block there para dito kay Yang Francisco. A good defense. Pinapakita dito ng Bayung Masantol. Take a look at that replay. That nice block, clean block para dito kay Yang Francisco. Almost an easy basket para dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. But first, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report niya dito kay Paulo Garcia of Minalin All-Stars. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Paulo Garcia of Minalin All-Stars was the player of the game last week. 14 points ang ginawa niya, even he was just the last resort of Coach Bernard Valencia since second half na ginamit up. But still, Garcia did his best para manalo. And I also asked Garcia if ano ang kaya niyang i-contribute for today's game. And he said, kumpiyansa, depensa at i-exit lang namin ang lahat ng practice namin. Malaki ang tiwala sa kanya ni Coach, kaya Paulo Garcia is all set again for today's game. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. As you mentioned, Paulo Garcia, the best player of their game last week sa laro nila with 14 points, and now checks in para dito sa ating second quarter. Yung tandem nila dito ni Jason Ibay, yung isa sa mga inaantay nitong ating mga kabalin, because these two guys of Minalin All-Stars, Paulo Garcia and Jason Ibay, they have a pretty good connection inside the court. That's why they won their game last week, because of that two guys from Minalin All-Stars. Take a look here. Kenneth Pamulagan. Pamulagan for three, no good. But Paulo Garcia there, a block there. Dito. In and out pa din para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. But a whistle there for Paulo Garcia. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for our second quarter. 28-24 now in favor of Minalin All-Stars. Walter Santos against Paulo Garcia. Santos, nice wipe there para dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. An inbound para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Francisco, one-hand shot there, no good. Pero nakaabang siya doon for a putback. Great eye para dito kay Yang Francisco. Bonifacio, balik ang bola dito kay Paulo Garcia. What a quick drive for Paulo Garcia, pero nakaabang ulit dito. Itong si Yang Francisco for a block there. As Vince Pineda checks in para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. Nice pass there. Walter Santos against Jason Ibay. The pushing foul there called against Walter Santos. Against the three defenders of Minalin All-Stars. Mag-isa lang kasi siya dun sa ilalim. Summit to Pamulagan. Balik ang bola dito sa kanya. Pamulagan. One-hand shot. No good. Rebound para dito kay Yang Francisco. Oh, nice pass there to Walter Santos. Walter Santos to Kian De La Cruz. De La Cruz, nice pass there. Oh, but a sorry miss para dito sa panig. Oh, and that jumper is good for Kian De La Cruz. But a bonus free throw para dito kay Kian. what a close ball game. We're now tied again at 28, 1 minute and 46 seconds. As Kenneth Almusara checks in for Paulo Garcia. That bonus free throw is good for Kian De La Cruz. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. 29 to 28. Balik dito. Kalamangan sa Bayung Masantol. Pamulagan. Pamulagan passes it to Vince Pineda. Balik dito kay Pamulagan ng bola. To Pineda again. Kinulang dito si Vince Pineda. Walter Santos. Walter Santos, an easy drive there para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. Take a look at that pass. And that easy drive para dito kay Walter Santos. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining for our second quarter as time out on 4:31 to 28. We are now back for the remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds of this ball game. As you can see here, Jomel Garcia checks in. As Kenneth Maluganan already scored 12 points here and 2 rebounds, together with the 8 points of Jason Ibay and 2 rebounds. Here, Pamulagan. Pamulagan, balik dito sa kanya. Ang bola. Pamulagan, almost a 3 there. Samit, one-hand shot, no good. Pero rebound dito ng Minalin. Balik dito kay Pamulagan ng bola. Pamulagan for 3. Short there, para kay, nice pass there. Para kay Kian De La Cruz. Pero still, para dito kay Kenneth. Oh, nice move. Nice pass to Paulo Garcia. And that one-hand shot is good. Para dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. 33 seconds remaining. 31 to 30. That basket is no good para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Pamulagan. And a whistle para dito sa panig. For Walter Santos rather. Yang Francisco. Francisco can go here for a quick 2. Pwede din siya dito mag 3-point but almost a good layup there and almost a putback there para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. But here, oh, nice steal there para dito kay Sunga. Sunga to Yang Francisco. Yang, nice pass there. And that basket is good para dito kay Charles Uzi. What a first half para dito sa parehong kumpanan. Take a look here at the second quarter highlights that pass to Francisco and that pass to Uzi. That last shot of Charles Uzi para dito sa ating second quarter. Last shot niya dito para sa ating second quarter as Bayung Masantol now in 33 and MINALIN All-Stars with 30. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lang po. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second half netong ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 at ito ang laban ng Bayong Masantol kontra MINALIN All-Stars at the end of the first half. 33 to 30 is our scores. We take a look here at our halftime highlights. That beautiful drive para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Look at that three-point shot para dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. And that beautiful drive para dito kay De La Cruz, Bayong Masantol. Yung bilis nito ng MINALIN All-Stars, they are trying to keep up dito sa height advantage nitong Bayong Masantol with that Francisco. You have Francisco against the guy, Ibay, of MINALIN All-Stars. So we take a look our leading scorers nitong ating halftime para sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Francisco with 9, Guevara with 5, and De La Cruz with 5 as well. And para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars, Almosara with 14, Ibay with 8, and Bonifacio with 6. As we can see here, Kian De La Cruz para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. An inbound para dito sa Masantol. Jumper, no good para dito sa Masantol. They were able to rebound para sa kanila. What a beautiful move there. Almost a nice pass para dito kay Cortez. Here, Kenneth Pamulagan already scored double points, 12 points para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Oh, sorry, miss para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Francisco, nice spin there. Cortez. Got an offensive foul there against Cortez. Here. Balik dito kay Bonifacio. A foul there para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. PJ Parungao checks in para dito sa ating second half. 33 to 30. So we're still scoreless para dito sa ating third quarter. 8 minutes and 38 seconds. 3-point shot there for Heron Bonifacio, and that dish is good para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. We're now tied at 33 with Cortez now. Cortez. To Francisco against Parungao. Pero sorry, miss para dito kay Parungao. Putback para dito sa panig ng MINALIN. Medyo nagmadali dito yung MINALIN All-Stars sa play nila na yun, ha? We take a look here at the replay. That pass of Heron Bonifacio. Not a pass, actually. That 3-point shot is with no hesitation. He finds there the bottom of the net and make that a 3-point shot. And that 3-point shot tied our ball game at 33 with 7 minutes and 51 seconds. A 3-0 run para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. As Ibay is rewarded by a free throw. Jason Ibay, as I mentioned earlier, ang go-to guy para dito sa MINALIN All-Stars eh. His height is just perfect. Like, for average height para sa isang basketball player. But then, yung aggressiveness neto ni Jason Ibay, dagdagan mo pa na meron ka ditong Kenneth Pamulagan and Paulo Garcia. A perfect combination para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. As I mentioned there, Kenneth Pamulagan with a steal and an easy basket there para dito kay MJ. As a 5-0 run para dito sa panig ng MINALIN. We take a look that beautiful and easy layup para dito kay Sagmit. A 5-0 run para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. 7 minutes and 28. Time out on the floor, 37-33. The Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 Intermunicipality and Cities is presented by the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. But let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report dito sa ating third quarter. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. After the first half, alam nyo, these two teams are not just hungry to win today's game, but they are also longing para manatili at umangat sa kanilang spot. Babawi kami, yan ang sinabi ng both head coaches of two teams. According to head coach Aldrey Lacap, kailangan natin ng energy hanggang fourth quarter. Huwag tayo magpabaya, convert every possession. While Trix Cruz of MINALIN All-Star said, focus kami sa goal, gusto namin makapasok hanggang dulo kaya double effort kami and gigil kami sa first half kaya babawi kami para manalo. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, for that report. As for Coach Aldrey Lacap, every possession counts para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. As they are much needed na motivation yun para dito kay Coach Aldrey Lacap as a 5-0 run para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. 4 minutes is passed by. Still a 5-0 run para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Kian de la Cruz here can go here for a quick three. But he can still an easy drive. But a miss pass there para dito kay Kian de la Cruz. Kian de la Cruz already played 16 minutes and 40 seconds with only 5 points para dito sa ating first half. Not the usual Kian de la Cruz that I was able to cover. But then, we were able to end their 5-0 run with a 3-point shot mula dito kay LM de la Cruz, the another de la Cruz of Bayong Masantol. It's a foul there against Cunanan. Take a look at that replay. That 3-point shot from LM de la Cruz. Walang pag-aalinlangan. At ang layo pa ng tira niya na yun eh. Almost a good shot there para dito kay NJ Sagmit. Pero na-rewardan siya doon ng free throw. Five to 4 run para dito sa ating third quarter. And that first free throw is good para dito kay MJ Sagmit. One out of 2 para dito kay Sagmit. De la Cruz. Nice wipe there para dito kay MJ Sagmit. A good defense ang pinapakita nitong MINALIN All-Stars. Of course, let's not forget they don't have that much bigger guys kumpara dito sa mga players nitong Bayong Masantol. But then they're pretty good fast team. I mean, kung lalabahanan mo tong MINALIN All-Star sa takbuhan against dito sa mga big guards nitong Bayong Masantol, yun ang advantage nitong MINALIN All-Stars eh. Mabilis yung gameplay nila eh. And an easy basket there para dito kay Charles Uzi. Uzi has been also a great player para dito kay head coach Aldrey Lacap of Bayang Masantol, as he already played 14 minutes and 43 seconds for our first half at that 3 jumper is good for Jason Ibay. We're tied at 38 with 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Nice pass there. Mula dito kay De La Cruz. Let's see what will Bayung Masantol do here. Kian De La Cruz for 3. And that 3-point shot is good for Kian De La Cruz. This is what I'm mentioning. This is what I mentioned earlier. This Kian De La Cruz, pag nakita niya na or nahanap niya na yung momentum niya dito sa larong to or in any game that he plays, he will make sure na lahat ng basket attempt niya or lahat ng field goal attempt niya will count. That's how reliable this Kian De La Cruz of Bayung Masantol is. Charles Uzi for 3. No good. But a put back there. Pero may foul doon dito against Ian Cunanan. As a substitution on the floor para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. Layog checks in para dito kay Sagmit. Kian De La Cruz. Kian for 3. And it's a sure shot para dito kay Kian De La Cruz. Back-to-back triple para dito kay Kian De La Cruz. 44-42 with 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Balik dito sa Bayong Masantol ang kalamangan. Parungaw. But take a look at that replay. That 3-point shot of Kian De La Cruz. Inantay lang niya may mag-screen doon para malibre siya. And to make that basket a sure count. Nice pass there from De La Cruz. Uzi with a one-hand shot. And it's good for Charles Uzi. What a great defense that will be followed up by a good offense mula dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Starting this ball game with a 5-0 run. But then they were able to put back their momentum. Kian De La Cruz raising his hand here, wanted his teammates to stay out of their composure. Take the time they needed para masigurado that every possession na nasa kanila ay basket count. There's a 3-point shot there. In and out para dito kay Ian Cunanan. Oh, nice move there para kay Parumao. And that beautiful move is good for PJ Parungao. 3 minutes and 12 seconds, 46-44. Dalawa na lang ulit ang inahabol dito ng MINALIN All-Stars. That bonus free throw is good para dito kay PJ Parungao. Ian Cunanan. Dito kay Cortez ang bola. Cortez. The violation there. Inbound for Jason Ibay. Ibay, balik dito. Ang bola para sa MINALIN All-Stars. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Masantol with 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Oh, a beautiful pass there. Para dito kay Adrian Layub. Kian against Parungao. That shot is no good for Kian De La Cruz against the 3 defenders. Bayong Masantol. Parungao. Nice pass there. A beautiful play there. Pero sorry miss para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars. As Irish Lobo checks in para dito sa MINALIN All-Stars. First appearance for this ball game. Inbound para dito sa Bayong Masantol. De La Cruz to Francisco. Francisco against Ibay. Francisco rather. Nice pass there to LM De La Cruz. What a nice pass there for Charles Uzi, but a sorry miss there. Put back there para dito kay Yeng Francisco. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. You have a guard like Yeng Francisco. You have there inside itong si Kian De La Cruz. A pretty good combination para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Here again. Francisco. Nice pass there. Pero natawagan ng foul dito ang Bayong Masantol. As Danilo Guevara checks in again for our ball game para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Charles Martinez against Parungao. Nice pass there para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. A beautiful move but a sorry miss for PJ Parungao. But a rebound there para dito sa panig ng Minalin. Nice pass, Jason Ibay. And there you have it. Jason Ibay showing who he is. Take a look at that replay. Look at the guards defending Ibay. He knows that it will be counted. He knows his capabilities. Doesn't hesitate to take that shot, to take that risky attempt at the basket. But the free throw is no good for Jason Ibay. 51 to 48, 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Lamang na dito ng tatlo. Ang Minalin All-Stars, Kian De La Cruz against Parungao. Diniretso na doon dito ni Kian De La Cruz. Kasi nga mabilis yung game plays or yung game phase na ito. Minalin All-Stars eh. So he need to match the energy or the phase somehow of Minalin All-Stars. As the first free throw is good para dito kay Kian De La Cruz. To De La Cruz on the floor para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Adrian Layug. Layug, nice pass. De La Cruz to Yeng Francisco. Nice deal. Almost a nice steal there para dito kay Layug. But then, a nice defense para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Ibay. Ibay on a rebound. But the ball possession still in the favor of Bayong Masantol with 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Yeng Francisco. Oh, nice defense para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Kian De La Cruz. Jumper on one hand. That's good for Kian De La Cruz. Tied at 51. 8 seconds on the clock. Jason Ibay, no good. 1.7 seconds remaining and an inbound para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. What a first game para dito sa ating Sunday ball game. Almost a steal there. Bineto na lang yun dito ng Bayong Masantol. Almost a shot there pa para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. What a third game. Starting this with a 5-0 run para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Let's take a look at this third quarter highlights. That shot from Kenneth Pamulagan. That three-point shot again para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. And that beautiful and easy layup para dito kay MJ Sagmit. And that easy basket para dito with Charles Uzi. As we take a look here at Layug. Layug, nice pass there para dito sa kanyang teammate. Makes this ball game tied at 51. Bayong Masantol, Minalin All-Stars tied 51. We're now back welcome here po. Of course, mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As the defending champion of Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 Cup, will come back for our Sinag Liga Asia for our 23 and 19 under, of course, Pampanga Delta. Not to mention that the BREN GUIAO Convention Center is the home of the champions. Of course, Pampanga Delta, Pampanga Pradero Theme Park. Not to mention, of course, the kuyas na itong mga naglalarong mga bata dito sa Delta Cup, the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As that beautiful, almost a shot there para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol for LM de la Cruz. An inbound para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Substitution on the floor. Almost an easy basket there, but a sorry miss para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. As Layug. Layug to Paulo Garcia. Paulo Garcia checks in for this ball game, or fourth quarter rather. Layug. Pamulagan, in and out. Kian de la Cruz. What will Kian de la Cruz do? A one-hand shot there is no good para dito kay Kian de la Cruz. Almost a nice swipe there para dito kay Kian de la Cruz. Natawagan siya ng foul doon. As I mentioned, Kian de la Cruz already have now 14 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists. And para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars, Kenneth Pamulagan with 16 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 6 steals. What a good stats. That's why lamang dito ng dalawa ang Minalin All-Stars because of the aggressiveness neto ni Kenneth Pamulagan for this ball game. Take a look at that replay. Pass of Heron Bonifacio. 4 versus 3 doon sa ilalim eh. That's why nakakuha ng foul dito si Heron Bonifacio. Pero sorry miss there para kay Heron Bonifacio para sa first shot niya of the free throw. Oh, out of 2 para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. If you are Minalin All-Stars, you won't miss any shot in here. As we mentioned earlier, nasabi nito ni Coach Aldre Lacap of Bayung Masantol. Possession, every possession, they will make sure na lahat ng possession na mapupunta sa kanila ay may puntos silang makukuha. Layug. Layug to Paulo Garcia. Paulo Garcia has been quiet para dito sa ating ball game ngayon. He only has 2 points dun sa ating first half compared sa 14 points niya. Na second half pa lang siya dito pinasok. 7 minutes and 30 seconds to take a look at that beautiful pass. That easy layup para dito kay LM de la Cruz. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining as time out on the floor. 55 Masantol, Minalin 53. Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 Intercity and Municipalities is presented by the Provincial Government of Pampanga through the very supportive head coach, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Take us now back here for the remaining 7 minutes and 18 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. Kenneth Pamulaga and 3 no good. But a whistle there. Against dito kay NJ Sagmit. Inbound. PJ Parungao. Parungao to Kenneth Pamulagan. Sayang, yung tira na yun ni Kenneth Pamulagan eh. But the good thing is, he got a foul in there, and now, nadala siya dito sa ating free throw line. A good opportunity para dito sa panig ng MINALIN All-Stars to tie this ball game as 1 out of 2 for Kenneth Pamulagan. 2 out of 2 for Kenneth Pamulagan. There you have it. We're tied at 55. Here Cortez. Cortez to Yang Francisco. Francisco. Clearly an offensive foul against Yang Francisco. It's already the fourth quarter of this ball game, and Francisco already played 20 minutes para dito sa ating ball game, and it's just his first personal foul as that easy layup or easy basket rather para dito kay PJ Parungao. Balik na naman dito sa MINALIN ng Kalamangan. LM de la Cruz got short in there. With the ball possession, balik dito sa MINALIN All-Stars. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. NJ Sagmit to Jason Ibay. Ibay dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. Pamulagan against Yang Francisco. See there, Kenneth Pamulagan against the 3 defenders nitong Bayung Masantol. So take a look at that replay. You have their Yang Francisco, you have their Ellen de la Cruz guarding you. And ginamit niya na doon. No, sinasabi ko nga aggressive style nito ni Kenneth Pamulagan ngayon. And if you're against this Yang Francisco and Kian de la Cruz of Bayung Masantol, all you can do talaga is to trust yourself. Like, go for it. Go for every drive. And wag kang mag-hesitate na itira ng itira if you're against nga the very much more aggressive Kian de la Cruz and Yang Francisco of Bayung Masantol. Nice move there para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. And Parungao for 3 in and out. Almost a steal there para kay Heron Bonifacio. As Kian de la Cruz. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. As a whistle there against PJ Parungao. Kian de la Cruz. Who will he go to? But then a push and foul call there against NJ Sagmit. Take a look here. Yung kitang-kita. Kitang-kita sa replay natin na may siko talaga doon. As here. Oh! Almost a steal there para dito kay PJ Parungao against Sunga. 6 against 6. 5 minutes remaining, 57 to 55. Nasa Minalin pa rin ang kalamangan, but now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her 4th quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. The veteran Jericho Isidro, one of the assistant coaches of Minalin All-Stars, lagi daw niyang minomotivate ang mga bata na to strive always. Once na umapak sila sa court, ibigay nila best nila. Sayang yung chances and opportunity. Hindi madali maging player. If may goal ka, kailangan masipag ka. Hindi dapat relax palagi. That's why besides the skills na meron itong mga players, need nila na mag-improve every game because every game is important. Pag natalo, babawi. Hindi namin sila hinahayaan na makampante. Andito na kami kaya pipilitin namin na umangat pa. These are the encouragement words from assistant coach Jericho Isidro. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, for that report. And that words from Coach Jericho Isidro of Minalin All-Stars. Every game is an opportunity to improve. What a mindset para dito sa coaching staff ng Minalin All-Stars to motivate his players na manalo man o matalo, you still have learnings para dito sa naging laro. But then going back here, 59 to 57 with 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining para dito sa ating 4th and final quarter as the aggressive guy, Kenneth Pamulagan. That bonus free throw is no good for Pamulagan as Kian De La Cruz. Who will he go to? One hand jumper. No good. Almost a putback there by Charles Uzi. A whistle there against Heron Bonifacio. Out of 2 para dito kay Charles Uzi. One out of 2 for Charles Uzi. 59 to 58. Isa lang ang inhabol dito ng Bayong Masantol. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. PJ Parungao. Who will he go to? To Paolo Garcia. He has been quiet for this ball game. Garcia. The aggressive guy, Kenneth Pamulagan. Pamulagan asks for a screen. Pamulagan on the drive. And he draws a foul. Take a look at that replay. No hesitation against the 2 defenders. Netong Bayong Masantol. A great basketball IQ para dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. If you're Kenneth Pamulagan, Kenneth Pamulagan at this ball game, ready to win 18 points. But that free throw is no good for him. Out of 2 for Kenneth Pamulagan on that one. But a rebound there para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars, pero hindi nila yun na-count as a basket. Uzi no good. Against Ibay. Garcia against dito kay LM De La Cruz. PJ Parungao. Jason Ibay rather. Heron Bonifacio. Nice pass there by Heron Bonifacio to Ibay. As we can see here, a double technical foul para dito sa head coach Aldrey Lacap of Bayong Masantol. Take a look here to Paulo Garcia. The coaching staff of Bayong Masantol was asking for a traveling violation kanina sa ating referees. And then after that, a technical foul called dito kay Coach Aldrey Lacap as we take a look at that replay from Heron Bonifacio. That pass to Jason Ibay. And there you have it, a double technical foul para dito sa head coach. Aldre Lakap
Technical on assistant coach, Rab Bustos.
of Bayung Masantol. A technical foul for head coach Aldre Lakap and a technical foul to assistant coach Raf Bustos of Bayung Masantol. And if you're a player for a team, natawagan yung head coach mo ng technical foul, of course, you're more eager to win. You're trying to get back the pride. A stolen pride, somehow, para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. As we still see here, Coach Aldre Lakap still explaining.
Technical on the coaching staff for Bayung Masantol.
Three technical fouls para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Confirmed by our referees. The second free throw is good for Jason Ibay. 60-58. One out of 3 for Jason Ibay. Take a look again at that replay. That pass of Bonifacio to Ibay. Look at the reaction of the coaching staff. Doon nagsimula yung intensity nila. That's why natawagan sila doon ng triple technical foul. As PJ Parungao, a missed pass there for PJ Parungao. Kian de la Cruz. Oh. Dumulas yun sa kamay neto ni Adam de la Cruz. But they were able to keep the ball at their hands. Sorry miss para dito kay Yang Francisco. As Parungao. Parungao, nice pass! Dito kay Heron Bonifacio and a good underneath basket para dito kay Heron Bonifacio. 2 minutes and 20. Let's take a look at that pass of Parungao to Heron Bonifacio and an underneath basket for Bonifacio. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining as time out on the floor. 62-58. We are now back at the 2 minutes and 27 seconds of our ball game. The final 2 minutes and 27 seconds para dito sa ating Minalin All-Stars kontra Bayung Masantol. Inbound para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. Ellen de la Cruz to Kian de la Cruz. De la Cruz against Parungao. Foul there. Clear foul there for PJ Parungao. An important free throw shot for Kian de la Cruz. He came short in there. Oh, out of 2 for Kian de la Cruz. Not the usual Kian de la Cruz on the free throw line, knowing that the field goal percentage of this guy has been so good for this tournament. PJ Parungao, nice pass there! Pero dumulas yun eh, medyo napalakas yung pasa dito ni Parungao kay Pamulagan. Kian against Parungao. Already approached the last 2 minutes of our ball game. Nice pass there. 3-point shot, no good. Para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. And that contest of Pamulagan makes it a basket para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Heron Bonifacio, just a 2-point lead para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. They can go in for a quick 2. But no good para dito kay Heron Bonifacio, and a whistle there. Player para dito sa Bayong Masantol is now down. He's asking for a substitution. That almost a good layup para dito kay Paulo Garcia. The player who's down para dito sa Bayong Masantol is one of the aggressive guy neto ni head coach Aldrey Lacap. Yet Francisco, he's asking there for a substitution. Oh. Nang hina doon, si Yang Francisco. Look at how these guys support their teammates. Indeed, that basketball is a different brotherhood. One minute and 35 seconds. The first throw is not good. 0 out of 2 para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Almost a good block there as we can see here. This Mayor of Bayong Masantol, Mayor Tonton Bustos. Happy watching po, Mayor. For supporting him. Yung team niya dito, itong Bayong Masantol. A missed free throw again. Para dito kay Allen Sunga. 1 out of 4 back-to-back free throws para dito kay Allen Sunga. It could have been a 4-point lead para sa Bayong Masantol if they were able to put that shots, the free throw shots I mean. Is what I'm talking about earlier. Yung possession, every possession na tinutukoy dito ni Coach Aldrey Lacap. Nice move there by Heron Bonifacio. But a sorry miss para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. 1 minute remaining. Kian de la Cruz. What will he do? Or who will he go to? He can go here for a quick 3. We can still go for an easy layup. As there mentioned, but that 3 is no good para dito kay Kian de la Cruz. Pero nasa Bayong Masantol pa rin ang possession dito. Naubusan nga lang sila dito ng oras. And Kian de la Cruz is asking for a foul. Ang gandang depensa ang pinakita dito ng Minalin All-Stars. But then, 41 seconds remaining. Time out on the floor, 62-61. Once again, Pampanga Intermunicipality and City is presented by the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and not to mention that Pampanga is the home of the champions pagdating sa basketball, not to mention here the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, the Pampanga Delta, the Pampanga Pradera Theme Park, all coached by the very own Governor Dennis Delta Pineda as Paulo Garcia, and a good steal there para sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Nakakuha pa ng foul doon itong si Charles Uzi. take a look at that pass to Charles Uzi against the 2. Tawagan ng push and foul doon itong MINALIN All-Stars. 26.4 seconds remaining. As you see there, Mayor Tonton Bustos of Masantol cheering para dito sa kanyang team. 1 out of 2 para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Parungaw. Paulo Garcia. Nice block there. But Jason Ibay is there. Still no good para dito sa panig ng MINALIN. 4 seconds. Kian de la Cruz. In a basket for Kian de la Cruz, as we can see there. Mayor Tonton Bustos celebrating with his team. 0.8 seconds remaining. 64 to 62. It could have been an extended 5 minutes. But there you have it, the hero, Kian de la Cruz. He puts a basket in there. No hesitation. I'm your guy. I'm Kian de la Cruz. Mayor Tonton Bustos again. As we take a look here, that pass to Kian de la Cruz against Parungaw. There you have it. He's just saying on that shot, I am Kian de la Cruz, and I make that shot. As we can see here again, Mayor Tonton Bustos of Masantol, Pampanga. 0.8 seconds remaining. Let's see here. What will MINALIN do? Who will they go to? Oh, it could have been a good shot para dito kay PJ Parungaw. But then, a great play dito para kay Kian de la Cruz. What a tight ball game. Ang dikit lang ng laban against dito sa Bayong Masantol and MINALIN All-Stars. But then, there you have it. MINALIN lost to Bayong Masantol with 64 to 62. That last shot of Kian de la Cruz. The reaction of Mayor Tonton Santos on that play of Kian de la Cruz gives it to the point na I am your guy, I am Kian de la Cruz. I'm playing here not only para dito sa aking Bayong Masantol, but then I'm playing para din sa aking sarili and I'm making my point here dito sa Pampanga Deltas. Ngayon kasama ko na nga ang ating best player of the game, Kian de la Cruz, the hero for today's ball game. Kian, una kong tatanungin sa'yo, how does your shot make you feel? Your last shot?
Sobrang saya po kasi galing kami sa talo. Tapos ayun, nakuha namin yung huling panalo namin sa playoffs, sa elimination po. Nakuha po namin yung huling panalo.
So Kian, bantay sarado ka dito nung first half and then nung second quarter, you were able na ma-put back yung momentum mo and yung composure mo dito sa ating ball game. Ano ang nagpanatili ng maganda mong laro para sa ating ball game, sa dikit nating laban dito?
Kahit na sobrang pressure po, sobrang dikit ng laban, na maging kalmado lang po ako. Tapos nagtiwala lang po ako sa mga sinasabi ng coaches namin.
Kian, 16.7 rebound, 3 assist. Alam ko madaming sumusuporta sa'yo. Now I'll give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta para sa Bayong Masantol.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord na nanalo po kami ngayong araw. Kay Mayor Tonton po na nakasuporta po sa amin yun. Nanonood po sa amin, sa mga kasama niya. Kala SKJC, sa kapitana ko po. Sa kapitana po namin, sa Sabang Kawayan, kay Kap Heidi, sa mga konsehal po namin. Sa family ko po, sa kuya ko, sa ate ko, sa lola ko, tsaka sa bunso namin, tsaka po sa papa ko. Sa baba ko po na nasa langit na, yun po. Para sa kanya po lahat to.
Kian, once again, congratulations. 16.7 rebound, 3 assists. What a ball game for you today, Kian. Once again, that's Kian de la Cruz, our Delta Cup best player of the game. Once again, Bayung Masantol, 64, win against MINALIN All-Stars with 62. Coming up next, for our game number 2 is Level Up Lubao contra Villa de Bacolor. For MJ Raimundo and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho for your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.